Go. All right, I gotta show you guys. All right, Jason.
Okay.
And I'm going to start. All right, everyone has paid for an item or a service with a $1 bill, a $5 bill, or a $10 bill, and so on. But have you ever paid for an item with a bow tie? Would you like to take people by surprise and pay them with a bow tie? I'm here today to teach you how to fold a dollar bill of your choice into a bow tie. You can give them as gifts or pay for a pop down the street at the grocery store. Learning how to fold a dollar into a bow tie is fun and will entertain and amuse those who see or receive the final bow tie outcome. A lot of us are close to young children often, maybe even on a daily basis. Folding a dollar is fun for young children to watch or even to try to fold themselves. I've been folding dollars into bow ties for years, and my children enjoy watching me fold dollars. They both have tried several times to fold the dollar themselves, but they have not been able to complete the folded bow tie. I will speak to you a little bit about the history of origami, how math is related to origami, and I will show you how to fold a bow tie into a dollar. First, let's talk a little bit about the history of origami. The history of origami dates back to nearly 105 AD and was invented in China. According to PBS.org's article Between the Folds, the word origami is formed by combining two Japanese words, oru, which means to fold, and kami, which means paper, or origami, which means to fold paper. After its invention, paper folding was taught to young students in school. Paper folding became a new art form. It was inexpensive to mass produce the paper. Paper folding was used both as a recreational art and as a ceremonial art. The first written instructions were in 1797 for the 1,000 crane fold. Now let's explore a little bit about how math relates to origami. According to the Journal Times, origami is a fun way to explain mathematical concepts and geometry. Math, measurement, and problem solving are used within the folding to form geometric patterns. BYU College of Physics notes that origami can be explained as segments whose lengths are proportionate to x and 1 minus x. Now let me show you how to fold a dollar bill into a bow tie. In order to fold the dollar, you will need a dollar bill of your choice. I like to use 1s or 5s. And you will need only your hands. Begin by choosing if you want the face part of the dollar or the building part of the dollar to be in the square section or the middle section of the completed bow tie. I will give instructions for the face section to appear in the square middle section of the finished bow tie. This is my dollar. It's proportionate to 2 times the size of a regular dollar. Your first step is to fold lengthwise down the middle of the face, and I actually go along and crease just to make sure the folds hold. The second step, we need to manipulate the sides that are open. So crease along the other way just to make the folding line. It's kind of tricky. Try to go at an angle here. You fold these top sections out so that each side ends up being kind of like an arrow pointing up, connecting. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's not proportionate or folding correctly. It should still work though. Maybe repeat that with the other side. So you have sort of the shape of something pointing up. And the next step, you take the bottom or the open sides and fold them straight up. And if this were a real dollar, you would see the dollar points on the bottom, not the words. I really don't think this is going to fold correctly. Should have used a dollar. All right, the next step is the top section. You fold down each corner just a little, enough to make it fold, basically. You repeat that again. Now this is the tricky part with a dollar. It's going to be trickier with the enlarged one. Put your thumbs near the face section and your index and middle fingers where we folded the last section, and you pull apart, and then you need to fold that. The top's not going to be correct because I must not have exact measurements on here. But you can see, kind of, we have the face in the middle of the bow tie. I can actually teach you when we're done here if you guys want to learn. A little better on a dollar. All right, once you get the hang of folding the dollar into a bow tie, it is actually a lot of fun. My kids enjoy to watch me. They actually ask me to fold the bow ties. And some people will be amazed, a lot of people will be entertained. It is fun to help people learn how to fold the dollar. I really like to write in a store attendance day and pay with folded money, but be aware, not everybody likes the folded money. I have had issues with people not wanting to fold a dollar. One of the main reasons is they don't know how to unfold it. It looks as though it had been cut, or it's hard to unfold. To unfold, you grab onto each open side and just pull. And then you have your dollar back the way it was. Now I hope, although I was nervous, obviously, that my presentation was enjoyable and you may have learned how to fold your bow tie. And good luck with your new trick. Thank you.
Good.